So this is a 2021 New Holland T5-95, so it's 4-cylinder, 95 horsepower with a 40k mechanical transmission. It's equipped with a front weight rack, an 8 40kg front wafers. It's on a fixed front axle with pivoting front fenders, which are in immaculate condition. Front bodywork and grille also immaculate. Both front tyres are Alliance 360/80 R20s turf tyres on adjustable rims, and they're about 95% tread remaining, so you know scratches or cuts on them anywhere. Got halogen front work lights, cab glass surround is immaculate. Got a little toolbox by the diesel filler cap. Bottom step hasn't been dented. Got adjustable rear rims. Both rear tyres also an Alliance 440/80 R30. Again, about 95% tread remaining. No cuts or scratches on this rear left tyre. Got Cat 2 rear linkage with a manual top link. 4 rear spools, hydraulic brakes, ABS and the standard trailer light socket. All the linkage is free and easy to adjust, nothing's bent. Got a fixed cab, almost no wear on the trailer hook, 540 shaft. Got halogen rear work lights. Rear right tyre also an Alliance 440, same condition as the left hand side. Bottom step on this side also in good condition. Mirror glass surrounds immaculate. Exhaust stack showing absolutely no signs of rust or dents. The front bodywork on this right hand side, no scratches or dents anywhere. Front right mudguard also in good condition, and the Alliance 360 on the front right also in very good condition. So in the cab of this New Holland, all the cab trim plastics in immaculate condition. We just haven't had a chance to clean it yet. It's got a folding driver's seat showing no signs of wear. Mechanically sprung driver's seat also showing absolutely no signs of wear. Headliner with no stains. So we've got air conditioning, a Bluetooth radio, 3 gear ranges with 4 splitter gears on the manual transmission, mechanical spools, and then 1000 and 540 PTO speeds only. It starts and runs well, and has only done 193 hours. So this New Holland is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.